Presiden Keseng VPP uba Arden Mila Basayomot ulapan pau Keseng Kamhun ban pediang Halor Kijing Jingmut jong ke expert committee ke bakmi ke reservation policy jong kejela. Habakran ikilat patai kubor ke arp santre gurampang arajar arpun rio uba Arden Basayomot ulakan taj ban pediang yakani ke report kumba kalong haduk menta. Ulakan doa bagi Sorkar kelabure ke report jong expert committee kumba prabanai hadian beladep ban ayaka bapun mi ke jing subah ke bajur Halor ke jing tuluk Sorkar. Uba Ardan Basayomot ula pencai baka jing dawa ya ka sapu nyau da shispa ka baha tungkam kalong ka babiang bat ka basyongnya la da ken ka jing men ki samla ki banang bastat ka jat benrio ula kedau bawat menteri rangba ula kubur baka megalaya ka de ka jela riulu hakibe ki jela ka than stelen mi ka baha tungkam kalong palat ka prapo na ka shispa bat ka yeng shari bahet ujung kari ka supreme court ru kala pencai bagi jela riuluam kimla benerangkat baki bagi jela ka VPP ka lapan jing pencai na ka Sorkar lakan sengam na emi ka jing mud jong ka sengsan partai VPP syuaban pediang ka report wala menteri rangba ulakot menekan do markamat iuba Ardan Basayomot ulong bagaseng kan menekan do ban pensengoy ka surupat ba ula bandrab ru bagaseng kampat shin megarai ban ai tarek ka Sorkar mentaka kenti ndekin hiar supat ba benimir jing mud marupat ba du trai jong ka jing yaki.
I can simply say that as a party who have championed for the cause, of the people as far as the review of the reservation policy is concerned, we are not satisfied. We are not happy with the recommendation, which is why we have made our submissions in the floor of the House. And we had also asked the government because what we were discussing, is the recommendation of the expert committee. So it is yet to be formally and officially, accepted or adopted by the government. So I had raised this very important question before the Chief Minister, whether the Chief Minister will take us also into consideration before formally, accepted or adopted the recommendation made by the expert committee. So that itself, is indication of the fact that as a party, we are not at all satisfied and we are not going to accept the recommendation in its present form. As you have, I'm sure you must have heard, the Chief Minister, he's willing to discuss with us and even to sat one-on-one on this issue to discuss on those different recommendations and observation of the expert committee. So we will be definitely go by that first, and we will also further explore the ways and means how to, ensure that what we want as a party and what we demand from the government to review will be dealt in a very serious manner. The people of the state have been the main stakeholder in this agitation, in this movement. So we cannot avoid that. We, as a party, we shall have to go to the people, explain to the people, and maybe seek the opinion from the people at large.